Hello friends, in this video I showed you how to use Ria money transfer app. Okay, let's see. I show you friends. First you download Ria money transfer app and open this app. This interface open ready, and here have login and register. Click here register and click here yes, and here you writing your mobile number and click to continue. And which number you writing here, that number you receive an OTP, that OTP you writing here. Here need to choose your password. So password friends, you choose uppercase and lowercase alphabet and number. Then click here and click to continue. Okay friends, so here you writing your first name and last name, and downside have a email ID. You writing here your email ID. And next have a nationality, so here you choose your country. So I am from India, so I choose here India. And next have date of birth, here you writing your date of birth. And next have country of birth, I here also choose India. Downside have city of birth, your city or your district name you can writing here. And next have what you working, so click here, choose here what you working. So friends, all I fill up ready, click here continue. So okay friends, this interface open ready. So here which country you stay, that country all address you writing here. So friends, all address I writing ready, so simply click here continue. And click here not now, and you see here have an option send money now. Click here, and here you choose country, which country you want to send money, and here you writing how much money you want to send. I show you demo, so I just writing here $5 only. And downside you see here, if I choose $5, so India money 302. You see here have option payment method, so click here pay in person. And next have delivery method, so here you have option cash pickup, bank and mobile wallet and UPI. If you want to send bank or want to send in cash pickup, you can choose here. So I choose here bank, so simply click here bank and click to continue. And next friends, here you need writing you send who, that person on name, and downside have city. And you see here upside here have option I am sending to myself. I send my account, so I choose this option. If you want to send other person, so you writing here all detail that person, then click to continue. So when I click to continue, this interface open ready. So which bank I send, that bank name I searching here. So I send in Indian bank. So I writing here Indian bank, and you see here downside have a option here Indian bank. Simply click here, and here you writing IFSC code. Next have a bank account number. So all details you writing, then click to continue. Then friends, you see all detail, how much money you send and how much have fees. If all everything okay ready, just simply click here confirm. So friends, when I click to confirm, this interface open ready. Here you need writing some more detail, that person you send who. Here have emails, you writing here that person email ID. And next have nationality, here you choose a country, that person country. And downside have country of birth, so I choose here India. So here have a address, here you writing that person address. And here you see here have option reason for sending. You choose here this option family maintenance. Next have source of fund, so here you choose salary. If salary option no have, you can choose other. And next option have how do you know this person. Click here, and here you choose what relation with you that person, you choose here. And here downside have option employer name, so you writing that person employer name and click to continue. And you see here friends, have here writing to complete your cash transfer, go to the nearest real location and follow the instruction on the transfer detail screen. Click here fund transfer. So friends, once you all fill up ready, so you need going to any real money transfer location and you submit your ID, meaning your local IC. Just you go and you show there this barcode. You no need writing anything. You send who that person name or how much money sent. Just you show this barcode and these people scanning this barcode and can see all detail. You send who and how much money transfer. But some country have this app option. You can scan your IC in your mobile. So friends, very easy. You can use Ria money transfer app.